In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Coghlans Magnesium Fire Starter. So stay tuned to the end of the video. So as you can see right here, I have a Coghlans Magnesium Fire Starter, and I'm going to just show you a little bit about it, tell you a little bit about it. So here, in the new version of the Coghlans Fire Starter Magnesium, it has it's made out of magnesium. That means it can work in rain. It has the fire striker right here. I used it a few times already. And the great thing about this product is that it also have the shaver. I can shave the particles off here. And I also have the striker. The previous models only had like the shaving part. So now you have the shaving side and you also have the striking side. So in order to use this product, what you're going to do, what I normally do is I get like a cotton ball or cotton cloth, and I like to shave some pieces off over here. I like to shave it into the cotton ball like this. You can come a little closer, see the shaved pieces are dropping in there. Okay, as you see here, it's good because the cotton ball helps to keep these magnesium shaved pieces into it. So when you lighten your fire, okay. See here. Okay. It's good, like I said, because during rain, this is magnesium, so it can light. You can use this even while it's raining. Okay. So I think we have enough magnesium parts. I'm going to show you how to use it to start a little small fire that I've created outside. So now we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to strike it and how to get the fire started. So you want to make sure you use the sharp part, the sharp ragged edges here for the striking on the fire striking point. So we're going to aim down and start striking. Okay. Alright, just trying to get it to the straight. Okay. It's already burning. Okay. There you go. There you have it, folks. Your fire starter, your magnesium fire starter, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. Took me a few strikes to get it, but I actually got it. And yeah. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.